How can you access iCloud photos on the iPad but without necessarily downloading them? So let me show you some options we have available. So if you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. So most likely you have heard the advice to open up the settings, go to profile and iCloud and enable the iCloud syncing. But that is a whole process because, all of your current photos will be backed up to iCloud and the other way around, like iCloud photos will appear in your Photos app. So you could go that route. There's nothing wrong with that. But personally, I like to just open up the Safari web browser where I just go to new tab, type in iCloud.com. I'm gonna log in with my Apple ID, which I use on this iPad, and I can start browsing the photos right away. So, these photos are on iCloud only and exclusively, right? So these are the photos which you can browse and even download individually, right? So you don't have to download all of them, but you can just browse and know exactly which photos are stored locally and which are on the iCloud. So I have considered that to be kind of problematic, to be honest, because in the past I wanted to see my iCloud photos, but if all of them are like mixed in together in the Photos app, I had no idea which are local and which are from the cloud. And this gives me a nice way to separate it and browse only the iCloud backed up photos. So that is something I just quickly wanted to share with you. Not many people are using that as far as I know. So let me know your opinion below. Subscribe for the next videos and I'll see you later.